Hey, my name is Vivien and I'm a sales manager at Sumber Petroleum Cemerlang, Malaysia. No 2 days are the same, but they all start with a run in the park, head out to work, side by side with my customers and their machines. And honestly, this is what I love about my job. Every client, every machine, every challenge brings something new, so I can learn the most for myself. What I really enjoy is helping customers find simple, reliable solutions for all kinds of applications and to see how everything runs smoothly with the different solutions. Because when machines run smoothly, everything else just follows. A simple solution but with a big impact. Bye!